guys, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Star.
I'm Lily. Today we're going to be making popcorn slime, which is one of our favorite slimes to make. So the popcorn is made from styrofoam. We literally can't find any other styrofoam, but
we had a big
So
block.
basically you're going to be using styrofoam for your popcorn, which makes a really fun texture. But of course you could use jelly cubes if you want to. Let's get right into the tutorial.
Alright.
Our first ingredients is white school glue. We're going to be using 2/3 of a cup. Alright, let's pick our color though.
I'm gonna do yellow this time. Last time I made it, I did orange.
Alright, well since you're making buttery popcorn, I
Yep.
guess I'll be stuck making cheesy popcorn. Okay, this is really cheesy.
This is really buttery.
You're going to need 2 tablespoons, oh, I hope you guys can see that. 2 tablespoons of water. Well, actually, let's do the water and let's add in the baking soda at the same time, right?
Yeah.
So then we're going to use 1/4 cup of, well, hang on, 1/4 teaspoon. All right, now we're going to add in our shaving cream. This is of course optional. Oh my gosh. We're going to be adding 1/4 cup, not teaspoon, of shaving cream.
Wow, that's a lot.
Here's the lemon yellow she's using.
So it's like a soy. I don't even know what that is.
My color. All right, are you happy with your color?
For sure.
All right, yeah, that looks amazing. All right, now we can add in the activator. Let's activate it little by little. We don't want to be left with a hard chunk of slime. Okay, mine's definitely coming together.
Mine is too.
Now that we've got our slimes fully perfected,
Wow.
we're going to add in our styrofoam. Okay, where are the scissors?
I don't know how to chop.
I do. Not with 3, just 2.
That's cool.
The slime was like sticking to me and then it was like falling.
Yeah.
And here are our scissors. Dribble. Be careful with the scissors, guys.
Yeah, definitely.
You know what? Do you guys like popcorn? Give us a thumbs up if you do. We hope you guys enjoyed making this popcorn slime with us, and we'll see you next time. Bye.